Hello guys, today we will create our search engine using Python. To do it, we should first do create a crawler that is a Python code that will stock at a JSON file the data of all the websites in a VPS. Of using the crawler is just trash. Why? Because it's very long and very difficult to do a data of all the websites from Instagram to Facebook or from YouTube to TikTok. To create a search engine is better to use PyCutify. Why? Because it's easy to use and better than the crawler and the other things. It's very difficult. The first thing to do is to install PyCutify. To install it, you can see the video about how to create a web navigator with Python using Python. And we also import Wikipedia for the informations. What is Python? What is Java? What is C++, etc. Okay. Now, first thing to do is to create a class named FedPrincipal. This FedPrincipal is our main window of our application. At this FedPrincipal, there will be there's a function named init, and this init have a function named super FedPrincipal, self.init. So after, we should set the icon of our window of our search engine. To do it, we should type self.setWindowIcon qdqi.qicon. QIcon is a function to put icons in, to do logo icon in at the top of your window. And our icon will be sw.png. That is this image. So after, we should define the navigator. The navigator is the QWeb engine view, the view of the web. It's a place will be the who will we see the Google and Bing, YouTube, Instagram, etc. And we're putting at the middle of the page at the central widgets, and the window will be shown maximize the maximum size. After, we should create a toolbar here, toolbar like Opera here, like Opera, or the Aria AI, etc. It's named sidebar, and the orientation will be vertical because the navbar, the navigator bar, so there's the Q line, this where do you the place who the place that you will do your search is horizontal, not vertical. After there's a button named there's a button that will do light mode. To do it, you should type Q action light mode self. comma, self. Light mode dot trigger dot connect. We will connect the button light mode to a function named light mode. But and the actual light mode, like dark mode, it's as that we are doing. Now the navbar, the navigation bar. The navigation bar is the best. Why? Because there's the back, forward, and reload button. There's a queue line edit. That's will do. That is the URL bar. You will tap your URL in it, and after there's next to the queue to the URL bar, there's an history button. The history button will show the history of the URLs, everything you do. And there's a button zoom to zoom your Q web engine view and zoom out to do the zoom out. And there's the zoom out button. And there's a button and there's a function add to history. Add to history, it's for the URLs. It will be put in your history. And after we will do and now we will do the functions of all the buttons. Navigation for the queue line edits, update URL for the line 17 here. The dark mode for the dark mode button, light mode for the light mode button. Add to history is it's for the line 72, and show history window is for the button show a history button. Zoom in will add the zero the current zoom and add to him 0.2, and for zoom out it's minus 0.2. And for showing the history, there's a queue widget, a single window that will be open, will be there, and there's the items that are the history of your search engine, the website that you go. And finally, there's and finally, there's the NPP, that is queue application, and sys is using to execute the code. If there's no sys, there's no execute. The page will not be shown, and the name will be Samuel. And the window is fan principal. And after app.exec is another function of sys. And when you execute, there's the his when we do the dark mode, and look at the color change, light mode. Now we will tap, for example, Instagram https triple slashes YouTube no Instagram.com. And when you look at your history, there's Instagram. There. And when you do zoom, you look at the image are adjusted, the cure down plus 0.2 and zoom out. It works perfectly. And now thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. And also activate the notification for more.